Welcome to Chestnut Ridge Park in Orchard Park, New York. This is a drone's eye view of the Eternal Flame hike, captured in frigid 18 degrees Fahrenheit or minus 8 degrees Celsius. The hike to the falls is about half a mile and moderately challenging, with steep and uneven terrain. Wear studded shoes and waterproof boots, as the trail can be slippery. The Eternal Flame Falls is a stunning natural wonder. This 30-foot waterfall cascades in two segments, a narrow 8-foot drop above and a wider flow over shale below. What makes it truly unique? A natural gas seep at the base fuels a small flame that flickers behind the water, creating an enchanting combination of fire and water. It's a rare geological phenomenon and a must-see for adventurers and nature enthusiasts alike. The waterfall is approximately 30 feet high. The natural gas emitted at the falls originates from Rhine Street Shale approximately 400 meters or a quarter mile below the surface. If you look closely at the top of the waterfall, there are some fish are trapped in the ice. The trail to the Eternal Flame Falls at Chestnut Ridge Park has recently been upgraded for safety and accessibility. New features include 139 box steps and 120 feet of railing, making the hike safer for visitors. While the trail remains moderately challenging, these improvements provide better footing and support on steep or slippery sections. Remember to wear proper footwear, as the terrain can still be tricky, especially in wet or icy conditions. This mission was completed by pilot Scott McCandless and his DJI Avata 2. Thanks for watching.